Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, you have learned in the previous lesson about the digraphs. Those were blended sounds, and these are also consonant blends. Two consonant sounds that appear together in a word without any vowels are called consonant blends. Initial consonant blends: bl, gl, pl, gr, gr, kr. Blue, clown, flower, driver. Green, tree. Like, read it with me now: blanket, block, blink, blush, clap, clock, clip, cloud, play, plum, plan, plate, drum, dream, drip, dragon. Green, grass, great, ground. Train, truck, trick, trip. Final consonant blends: gift, hand, jump, disc, fast, exact. Nd, mp, drift, loft, swift, bend, friend, hand, sand, camp, dump, jump, lamp. Act, correct, fact, perfect. See you in the next lesson.